I hate when I see a man that's so fine and then I pass him and he doesn't say anything. Like when people say, oh, girls don't shoot they shot. Yes, they do. If I look at you like this, like say you walking this way and I'm walking like this, and if I look at you like this, that's me shooting my shot. Come say something.
Why are men not confident enough to walk up to women now? Say shout out to the guys who are confident enough to walk up to women. The masculinity on earth has diminished drastically that guys don't even come up to you anymore. They'll just stare at you from a distance. As a woman who's trying to embody her feminine energy, you're not going to catch me going up to the guy. You're just not. We can just stare at each other. Say shout out to the guys who are confident enough to walk up to women, because guys don't do that anymore. If God were to guarantee that your 20th person would be the love of your life, you would be so happy to be rejected by all 19. So why are men not confident enough to walk up to women now? We don't chase. We signal like, you can come up to me now. But all men do is just look at you now. And of course, like if the woman is interested, she's gonna keep looking your way too. But it just like stays like that. Nothing ever happens because men don't walk up to women anymore. Or they're just tired of being rejected. But it's like if God were to tell you that you're gonna go through 20 rejections before you get to your yes, and that's gonna be the love of your life, you guys would be so happy to go through all 20 because you would just be so closer to the love of your life. Come on, guys, you guys gotta do better.
Even though there is no statistical evidence to back up these claims, but a lot of women has been complaining recently that men do no longer walk up to them. Men have lost their masculinity. I feel it's true actually because I don't know, there are a lot of single ladies, and it's not just in the nature of women to go after men. It's true that some women are confident to do that, but it's not just in the nature of women to go after men. And it's just so tiring. It's just so disturbing. I don't know. So the question is, why are men not walking up to women? What happened to that masculinity? What happened to the fact that you see something you like and you go get it no matter what? So I'm just wondering what's going on with the men of nowadays. Some people, they're thinking that probably because they're tired of rejection, they're afraid of rejection, they're afraid of embarrassment. Some men can be very, very traditional, so they want to go for their own kind and all that. But I don't know, all those things, yes, they can be, reasons why men do no longer want to, walk up to women and all that. But that is not enough of a reason why you shouldn't go for what you like. And trust me, if you're this type that is tired or you're afraid of rejection, if the 100th person you're going to ask out will be the love of your life, don't be afraid to get rejected by the rest of the 99, because trust me, it's better you get rejected by 99 than just settling with the first person you ask out and then your life is going to be a living hell. You don't need that. So please, men, there are single ladies. So let's know what's the problem. What is it that women are not doing right? What do men really want? What is it that women are not doing right recently that is scaring them away? I need to know. We need to know.
So I came on here a few months back saying how I don't get approached in real life like by men. Like men don't approach me, and that maybe I'm unapproachable or I look mean, or like I don't know like what's going on, like why guys aren't approaching me, right? And there was a lot of mixed reviews from people saying that, oh, maybe I'm just like seeking attention, to people saying that I do look mean, to people saying that, oh well, maybe they just think that I'm a wife. And all along, it was really God's protection, because now I have a man. Amen. But my man told me, he said to me, if you, by the way, I'm not driving. It's a self-driving car. But my man told me that it wasn't as if people saw me and they thought that I was mean, or people look at me and they think that something's wrong with me, or they look at me and think that I'm a heathen. What he compared it to, he said that it's like I am a little white bunny in a big field, and you walk and you see the bunny and you see it there alone, and you don't want to go up to it, you don't want to approach too fast, you don't want to go up to it because you might scare it away, or it might run away, or you might hurt the bunny. that really just shifted my perspective. And me being that little bunny, that God was obviously protecting me all along from anything that wasn't meant for me. And so if you are in that same predicament and you are feeling how I was feeling, because there was also a lot of people, a lot of women that could relate to what I was saying. So if you find yourself in that predicament, just know that you are precious. It's rare for someone to be able to match your energy, because it's only one person that is supposed to do that. So of course it's going to be rare. It's not, you're not for everyone. You are not someone that can mesh with everyone, because you are not meant to be with everyone. So you're meant for that one person, and when you find that one person, oh, trust me, it's unlike anything that you've ever felt before. And you will understand what it means to be someone's rib. Like, you will understand what it means to be a part of someone and to feel as though your souls have been intertwined forever. So yeah, if you're looking for that one, girl, he's out there somewhere. And the reason it hasn't worked with anybody else is because they weren't him. So I love y'all. That's my word of encouragement for you today. And just an update on how it's going. So yeah, bye.
Now, this is for both men and women. In a world of billions, there is just one person that is meant for you. Apart from the men who are polygamous in nature, but naturally and ideally, there is just one person that is meant for you. And for you to find that person in a world of billions, imagine how hard, imagine how difficult it's going to be. So you need to be patient. A lot of people might reject you. A lot of people might not even look at you. They call you ugly. They say you're not my type. You're too tall. You're too short. You're too slim. You're too fat. You're this, you're that. But you've not just find the love of your life. So don't quit. Don't just keep yourself in a position where you see what you like and you're not going for it. Even though what you like doesn't like you back, it's fine. It's fine. Trust me when I say that. It's fine. And trust me, there is no law that states that whosoever you love will love you back. Remember? So wait until you see that person who you're going to love and will reciprocate that same energy. You were not meant for everybody. You were just meant for one person. If you're watching this video today and you're a man, or you're just someone that is finding it difficult to find love, number one, just know that you're very precious. Number two, know that there are so many people in this world and you have to take a little bit of time before you find the love of your life. Number three, please don't just take any rejection that you've had in the past or any embarrassment as a matter of you going for, somebody you love or somebody you think you like. Don't take it to heart. It's just that the person was not meant for you, okay? You're so precious, and definitely you're going to see somebody that is going to accept you, somebody that is going to know your worth, somebody that is going to know that you are not replaceable by anybody. And once you have accepted this, trust me, your life is just going to be like going so smoothly. People who even thought that you were going to be depressed because of love, they will see you living happily with your partner. And that is what matters. And that is what I need. That's the kind of reviews I need to be getting, in my comment section. I need people to come and tell me, oh, this video motivated me, and at the end of the day, I found the love of my life. That is the kind of comments, that's the kind of reviews I want to be, getting from the comment section henceforth. And for women, please, if you're this kind of person that you have this kind of personality, you're always frowning, you look mean, please make yourself look so friendly. Nobody likes somebody that looks mean or that looks strict. All right, make yourself look so friendly so that when you give men green lights, they will understand, they can walk up to you. Because when you give them green light, they'll first look at your countenance, the way you're looking. It seems this girl, if I talk to this girl, she might slap me, she might embarrass me, she might reject me, she might just walk out. So this is just not for only men, but also women has a part to play. So I hope that this video is definitely going to impact one or two people, and I hope to be getting good reviews not too long from now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Always thank you for the likes, for the comments, for the views. I really do appreciate all your effort. See you in my next video. Bye.